Lee-Dickens, although we love technology, our first focus is on industry and people. Our customers are responsible for critical infrastructure, often at remote and unattended locations where the consequences of failure are very real. We have customers in all sorts of sectors of industry, including air traffic control, food, gas, and the water and drainage industries. Over time, we've learned that technology alone isn't enough. What really matters is getting to know our customers as individuals, how they operate, what pressures they're under, and what good actually looks like for them. That understanding is what led us to develop Sitewatch. It's not just a generic SCADA application. It's a purpose-built platform shaped by decades of real deployments designed to behave predictably when systems are under stress. Sitewatch standardizes how alarms behave, how data is presented, and how issues are escalated, so operators are dealing with clarity and not noise when something goes wrong. With Sitewatch Anywhere, we've extended that same approach into the cloud, giving customers secure browser-based access to their systems without the burden of running and maintaining SCADA infrastructure themselves. For applications like drainage boards and pumping stations, that means continuous visibility of levels, live pump status, alarms and trends, helping customers intervene early and reduce unnecessary call-outs. One thing our customers consistently say is they appreciate that we never give up on a problem. And once a system is live, our support is described as impeccable, that nothing is too much trouble, and that we always take the time to see issues through properly. We've been using VTScada for over 30 years. We've stayed with it because it gives us the stability, flexibility and transparency we need to support systems over decades, not just through commissioning, but through the entire operational life. That long relationship works because the support ethos is aligned. The mindset of not walking away from a problem or digging in until it's understood and resolved is something we recognise strongly in Trihedral's own support culture. So when we talk about what we've built over the years, it isn't just about time served, it's about trust, built by knowing our customers, going the extra mile, and taking pride in the solutions that we deliver.